Western Mass News is your vaccine authority. Thanks for joining us, everyone, on this Tuesday night. I'm Chris Pisano.
And I'm Jordan Jagelinzer. The U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention and the Food and Drug Administration recommending a pause in the use of the Johnson & Johnson COVID-19 vaccine after 6 reported cases of a rare and severe blood clot.
And now Johnson & Johnson vaccine appointments are being canceled across Western Mass. Western Mass News reporter Lindsay Kane live for us now in Springfield with the details. Lindsay.
Chris and Jordan, I spoke to the chief medical officer of Cooley Dickinson Healthcare, who tells me patients have been calling in all day with questions. Many of them worried about side effects from all shots on the market.
We've had many patients reach out to us at Cooley Dickinson.
The CDC and FDA recommending a pause to the Johnson & Johnson vaccine rollout across the nation after 6 reported cases of a rare and serious type of blood clot. Dr. Estevan Garcia, chief medical officer of Cooley Dickinson Healthcare, tells Western Mass News this will impact remaining vaccine appointment availability, especially when the general population becomes eligible in a few days.
My real concern is that we were counting on the J&J vaccine to be able to meet the needs of all of the community.
The pause already seeing an impact here in Western Mass. Viewers and clinics reaching out to Western Mass News, sharing appointment cancellations for Johnson & Johnson doses.
I think it's going to be complicated. I've been also saying that to be persistent but patient for your vaccine, and I think that's going to hold true moving forward.
Ann Blackwood of South Hadley first spoke to Western Mass News a month ago, frustrated because her elderly family members had yet to secure a vaccine time slot.
They kept trying and trying. They would call like every day, the 211 number.
4 weeks later, they finally scheduled a Pfizer appointment and had their first dose just a few days ago. But the Johnson & Johnson pause is now making them worried about the long-term effects of all COVID-19 vaccines on the market.
I don't know about my family, whether they're going for their second shot or not.
But despite fears across the Commonwealth, Dr. Garcia tells Western Mass News they've seen no issues with the Pfizer or Moderna vaccine to date. He says it's important for people wanting a vaccine to book one now.
Whichever vaccine you can get is the right vaccine for you, and I actually stand by that today. You can't get the J&J vaccine at this point. It's been paused, and while it's on hold, any vaccine you can get over the next several days to several weeks is the right vaccine for you.
We reached out to Springfield city officials about this Johnson & Johnson pause, and they tell me a majority of the city's vaccination sites are giving out the Moderna vaccine, so they don't anticipate to be heavily impacted. Live in Springfield, Lindsay Kane, Western Mass News.